So good day everyone, especially to Sir Generic Talili. So I'll be going to discuss the topic basic terms on IP commercialization. So what is intellectual property commercialization? Intellectual property or IP commercialization refers to the process of bringing intellectual property rights like patents, trademarks, or copyrights to take to the market for the purpose of generating revenue. These rights could be used to create and sell products or services, licensed to third parties for a fee, or even sold outright. So, ang IP commercialization, nag-focus siya sa pag-process, developing of the market goods to produce income. So, og mostorya tag intellectual property, commercialization means it is invention to make idea og unsaon mag-process ang usa ka business og pag-manage or run something to earn revenue. There are several types or methods of intellectual property or IP commercialization, each with its own considerations and potential benefits. Here are some common types. First is licensing. This involves granting permission to another entity to use your IP, typically in exchange for royalties or a one-time fee. This is a common method for commercializing IP, as it allows the IP owner to generate revenue without having to manufacture or market a product themselves. So licensing kani usa ka need sa business kay i-allow nila ang owner sa IP para maka-earn og kita nga di na mag-need magbaligya sa ilang produkto sa ilang kaugalingon. And the second is assignment or sale. In this method, the ownership of the IP is transferred to another entity, typically for a lump sum payment. This can be good option if the IP owner does not have the resources to commercialize the IP themselves, or if they believe the IP will be more valuable in the hands of another entity. So kani nga method diri na to makita unsaon pag-organize sa ilang kumpanya para manindot. The third is joint ventures or partnership. This involves partnering with another entity to commercialize the IP. This can allow the IP owner to leverage the resources and expertise of the partner while still maintaining some control over the IP. So kanina na process is sayo naman ni Sabton. So the fourth is startup companies. In some cases, the IP owner may, may choose to form a new company to commercialize the IP. This can provide the greatest potential for profit, but also involves the greatest risk and requires significant resources. So para nako kanina case is nag-build sila branch or nag-franchise sila para magagain sila dakong profit pero mo-take sila risk para mulambo ilang company. And the last is in-house development. This involves using the IP to develop a product or service within the existing organization. This method allows the organization to maintain full control over the IP and its commercialization, but also requires significant resources. So, sabotabol naman dun ang in-house development, no? So, that's all and thank you.